hey, you're wasting your life. Now, I don't know that, but many people do feel like they're wasting their life. So the question is, what would you be doing if you weren't wasting your life? You know, so many of us get up when we don't want to get up. We go work a job our entire life doing what we really don't want to do, doing something we don't really love. And so if you had everything that you needed and you knew that you were going to be okay, what would you do? What would fulfill your heart's desire? Because life is really about those amazing experiences and the people in our lives. So how can you avoid wasting your life? Well, one way is to take one of the most foundational parts of our life, our home, our shelter, our structure, and not pay rent and not pay a mortgage. 30 years of paying a mortgage or paying rent and having nothing. Neither one of these move you to where you have the time and money and freedom to do what you really want to do. So many people live their entire life working hard so that someday down the road they'll be able to do what they want to do. And I've worked in this industry for 30 years and I have seen far too many people that wind up far too sick or even dead. So they never get to do what they want to do. So don't buy the lie that if you work hard, that someday you're going to get to do what you were going to do. If working hard were the measure of success, then somebody digging a ditch would be the most wealthy person in the country. And we all know better than that. It's the lowest paid job. So don't put yourself in a position where you're paying out all this money just to have a place to stay. Instead, learn how to build your own home and take all of that money that you would currently be paying in rent or in a mortgage and just save that up, pile it up on your table until you decide, hey, I'm going to take a trip or I'm going to go buy this really cool thing. It's entirely up to you, whatever fulfills your heart's desires. So don't waste your time, because your time is your life. And if you're wasting your time, you're wasting your life. And you're missing the opportunities to live that beautiful life that's right there in front of you, that's right at your fingertips, but you can never quite reach. And I understand that going to college is taught as being so important in our country, but the reality is most of the time those college degrees give you a debt. And they give you an obligation to pay that debt over time. And they don't even teach you the skills that you actually wind up using in the job. There's no profession that you can't teach somebody if they work beside you and have a desire to learn in a very short time. So don't let others' judgments of what you're going to do with your life cause you to waste your life. Instead, click the link below in the description and find out how you can build your own home and build that foundation from which you can have the time, money, and freedom to live life, to follow the joy of your heart, to do every day what you choose to do, to work when you choose to work. So, don't waste your life.